Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to activate your Ulta Credit Card or Ulta Mastercard. Whether you've recently received your card in the mail or you're setting it up for the first time, this process is quick and simple. Just follow these easy steps to start using your card at Ulta Beauty and beyond. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin the activation process, ensure you have the following: your Ulta Credit Card or Ulta Mastercard, your 16-digit card number, your card's security code, CVV, usually located on the back of the card, your personal details like name, address, and social security number, if required. Step 2. Visit the official Ulta Credit Card activation website. Open your web browser and go to the official Ulta Credit Card activation website. Link: www.ultarewards.mastercard.com. Activate. Once the page loads, look for the Activate Your Card section. You should see a button or link labeled Activate Now. Step 3. Enter your card information. On the activation page, you will be prompted to enter your card's 16-digit number and the security code, CVV, from the back of your card. After entering the required details, click on the Continue button. Step 4. Verify your identity. To complete the activation process, you may be asked to verify your identity. This can include providing your last 4 digits of your Social Security number, SSN, answering a security question related to your personal information. Make sure all your details match what the system has on file. Step 5. Confirm and finish activation. After your information is verified, you will receive a confirmation message that your Ulta Credit Card or Ulta Mastercard has been successfully activated. You will now be able to use your card both online and in stores to earn rewards, make purchases, and enjoy exclusive offers. Step 6. Set up your online account. Optional. If you haven't already, you can also create an online account with Ulta to manage your card, view your balance, make payments, and track your rewards. To do this, visit the Ulta Rewards website, www.ultarewards.com, log in or sign up for an account. Add your Ulta Credit Card or Ulta Mastercard details to start managing your account. Conclusion: activating your Ulta Credit Card or Ulta Mastercard is an easy and straightforward process. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll be all set to start using your card right away. Enjoy the perks of earning Ulta Rewards, exclusive discounts, and more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.